In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create a web page, a basic web page. So this is an introduction. What is HTML, or what is an HTML file? Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Yes, it is a language. An HTML file is a text file containing small markup tags. The markup tags tells the browser how to display the page. So, in order for the browser to understand that the page is an HTML or web page, it must have an extension HTML or HTML as its file extension. Now you can create a simple web page in a text editor such as Notepad, and that's what we're going to do in this example. So let's open up Notepad in Windows, and then open, and this is Notepad. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a web page. Every web page has all markup language use greater than and less than signs. Okay, markup language which is in a web page. Alright, and you will always have an open and close tag, and then there are some exceptions. So open tag and a close tag. Okay, our first tag that we have to have is called our HTML tag. You must have a close tag, HTML. That tells the browser that this page definition has stopped right here. So the first tag in your HTML document is HTML. This tells the browser that this is the start of an HTML document. Now the last tag is your /HTML tag. This tag tells the browser that this is the end of our HTML document. Now between the HTML tag is our body tag, BODY, and this is our close to the body tag. We will talk about the body tag in a moment, but if you notice here, I have a beginning tag right here, and I have an end tag, and those are both between the HTML. Remember, the HTML start tag says to the browser, this is the start of my web page. The end tag said this is the end of my web page. The body tag said this is the start of my body, or the content of my web page that I want to display to the visitors, and this is the end of it. Okay? Now, our next tag that we're going to talk about is our head tag. The head tag contains all the header information which is not displayed by the browser. So let's put that in there. Head, and we have to have a close tag, remember? Okay, so this is information that is enclosed between the opening head tag, and the close head tag is not displayed to the customer or to the person who visits your website. What are some of the things that go in the head tag? Well, your title. Okay, what I'm going to do right quick is I'm going to show you a demonstration. So let's put something in here. This is my first web page, and let's save this as index. We're going to put it on the desktop, and if you look over to my left, it renders over here. See that? Alright, if I double click on this, it'll open up in a browser. Internet Explorer displays it. This is my first web page, but notice I don't have a title up here. How do I get the title in there? Well, you put that in the head tag, and so you say title, and then we'll say home page, and let's close that tag, and let's save this and hit refresh, and see, now that has changed my head tag. Okay, and next we're going to talk about formatting. for your web page and some other page elements.